Meaning of gynaecology.
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 Gynaecology. Gynaecology is a medical specialty that focuses on the female reproductive system, including the uterus, ovaries, and breasts. It deals with the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of various conditions that affect women's health, such as menstrual disorders, infertility, sexually transmitted infections, and gynecological cancers. Gynecologists are trained to perform various tests and procedures, including pap smears, pelvic exams, ultrasounds, and surgeries. Gynecology plays a crucial role in improving women's health and well-being, and it is essential for women to receive regular checkups and screenings to maintain optimal gynecological health.